You guys are absolutely gonna love this video. This guy is somewhat of a street performer and the cops are always harassing him. This video comes to you from a channel called Here to Stay San Antonio. Definitely subscribe and let him know that I sent you. This guy has several videos on his channel and they're all similar to this. Cops are always harassing him, therefore he started a channel. You're gonna love it, folks. Let's get right to it.
Daniel, how you doing, officer? I don't know. What's the problem? What they say? They didn't tell me nothing.
Be out here, sir.
I'm not supposed to be out here?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Not be out here. Dancing, whatever. You got vendors here as private property. Then what's on here? Yeah.
This is private property. This is a public forum. I'm sorry?
Market Square.
San Antonio. Yeah, and this is not private. Can you get closer?
Yeah, you just want to be out here.
They pay every week.
Yeah. So you consider me like a vendor.
No, I'm not a vendor. I'm not asking for money.
I don't. But you're out here. You're dealing with their property. So you're gonna have to take off.
This is not their property. I'm a resident of San Antonio. I'm simply expressing myself.
Okay, but you can't do it here.
Yes, I can. This is a public space.
You can't be in their space, man.
This is their space. The vendors own the Market Square.
No, not vendors. Market Square owns it. Okay?
Market Square owns it. San Antonio owns it.
Yes, you can't be out here. Okay, it's like they go into your front yard, dancing in your
Front yard?
not wanting to leave.
I pay taxes. This is my market. I am allowed to enjoy my market as I am a resident.
Here, you're gonna have to take off, man. Or you're gonna
I'm
go
not
to jail.
taking off.
Yeah, you're gonna
I'm not taking off.
You gonna go to jail?
I'm not taking off.
Criminal trespassing. So that's one.
It's not trespassing. I'm enjoying my public space. Yo, y'all gotta back up, guys. Y'all gotta back up. Y'all gotta back
Look
up.
at that. Two cops for one guy.
Unconstitutional. I'm not abiding by that policy. That policy is unconstitutional. I'm protesting my right to be in a public space. I am not leaving. I have no threat. Why are y'all doing me? What law am I breaking?
And this right here, folks, is why I think this guy deserves your subscription. This guy's not backing down. I love the way he stood in front of the cop. I love the way he spoke to the cop. This guy is exercising his freedoms, and the cops keep getting called out here because some of the business owners don't want him out there. So you mean to tell me if somebody called the cops and told the business owners to leave, they'd have to close up shop and take off? This guy's not a vendor. He's not asking for money. He's just out there dancing. So you mean to tell me that the cops are gonna arrest him for dancing? Sounds like a video title that's gonna make it go viral. Keep watching, folks.
What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking?
Look at that. They called
What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking?
two cops for one
What law
guy.
am I breaking? What law am I breaking? Back up, guys. I'm not a threat. What law am I breaking? 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 No, I don't. You're not going to oppress me and take away my constitutional rights. What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? Can you tell me, sir? 9538. What law am I breaking?
9538
554.
554.
What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? I'm breakdancing in a public space. What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? I'll tell you again, what law am I breaking? Let's go. Are you gonna do this? Are you gonna do this? All right. Hey man, you better not touch me like that. You respect my rights. Aren't you supposed to serve and protect? I'm not a criminal. I am breakdancing. Look how hard he put these cuffs. Get these cuffs. Look how tight they are. They're cutting off my circulation. Look how tight they are. They fucking hurt, bro. They fucking hurt. Take the, let them go. I'm not moving. You let my cuffs go. You let my cuffs go. You are depriving me of my rights. You are depriving me of my rights. Please let go of my cuffs. These cuffs
They
are
arrested
hurting me.
him for
These cuffs are hurting me.
exercising his First
I'm telling you,
Amendment
sir,
right.
cuffs are hurting me. I have been-
All he
I have
was
been
doing
good
was
job.
expressing
Can
himself.
you unlock them? Thank you.
This man is not a violent criminal, so why are they treating him like one? He did not create a victim, so why are they putting the handcuffs on him extremely tight? We see this over and over again. When cops arrest someone, they put the cuffs on extremely tight. The cop with the two chevrons that immediately wanted to arrest him, you can tell he was annoyed because the man wouldn't comply.
God damn, bro. I'm dancing. We were good. You can arrest me, but damn, why do you have to have them so tight? Not breaking any law.
Look at that. Look how tight those cuffs are.
Oh. Fucking cuffs hurt, dude. Hurry up, dude. These fucking cuffs hurt, bro. The fuck that? You have them fucking tight as fuck. Fucking asshole.
It's cool. We
Depriving
got
me of my right. You can't even tell me what I'm breaking.
Look at that.
You can't even tell me what
Look
law
at that.
I'm
He has
breaking.
lines.
You can't
Lines on
tell
his
me what
hand.
law
Look at
I'm
that.
breaking.
It's all right. We got their badge numbers. It's all right.
Fucking asshole. Remember this shit.
We'll see y'all in
I'm
court.
good. What are you doing? Thank you for unlocking them. Thank you. Thank you. Make sure you get all my equipment. It's very expensive.
Yo, G, you want me to get the equipment?
You're despicable.
You want him to take your equipment?
You're a whack. You're a whack.
You want him to take it or not?
I'm gonna take it, see?
All right, got you.
You want to take his phone? You want him to take
Yeah,
your phone?
yeah. I'm taking it. It's all right.
Phone. That's it, right?
Yeah. All right. Y'all don't need to talk to me. I'm just documenting. Two cars for one man, one guy. Two squad cars for one guy. All he was doing is expressing himself. He was not asking for money. Expressing yourself is a right under the First Amendment of the Constitution.
If you look over to the left, you're going to see that the security guards are walking up, and I'm guessing they're the ones that called the cops.
This has been going on for 11 years. They're still trying to get rid of us.
Looks like the Alamo City is safe now, guys. These cops protected the city from a dancer. This is truly unbelievable. So much for freedom in America, huh? I'm guessing the whole world is laughing at us right now. These cops are protecting the Alamo City from dancers, but they couldn't save the kids in Uvalde, Texas. One of the things that I like about this guy is that he keeps going out there and challenging them on this. This guy is standing up for his rights. In my opinion, he's doing it like a boss. I've heard a lot about the Alamo City and how the cops are at the Alamo. This is what happens when we don't train police officers in the people's rights. We allow them to arrest people under feelings, and then they go around saying things like, let the courts deal with it. That is extremely costly, folks. That system doesn't work. It only works to tie up the system and to charge the taxpayers with more money. This is an unsustainable system for the people, but a sustainable system for the government to keep growing. Lock up dancers and innocent people, but give them absolute authority over the people. But they're not here to protect the people. They're here to protect feelings. Look what happened in Uvalde, Texas. This should be a lesson learned for everybody in America right now. Why are we paying police officers to arrest dancers? This is an absolute shame, folks. And this is what happens when we're not paying attention and we bite into that propaganda, back the blue, and we don't question folks when they have the blue line stickers on their cars and trucks. Anyhow, thank you for tuning in. Go subscribe to Here to Stay, San Antonio. Let them know that I sent you. I'll put the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Have yourselves a blessed day, folks.